Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Open Settings and look for Motion Control in the Shortcut section. Tap Motion Control to enter the feature page and toggle it on. The phone prompts you to grant permissions for sensors and accessibility services. You will see options labeled Gesture Wake, Flip Actions, and Edge Gestures. Each option includes a short demo and a 3 sensitivity levels slider for touch recognition. Edge gestures are calibrated to respond within 5 inches from the screen edge for reliable activation. Start by enabling Gesture Wake to lift the phone and wake the screen automatically. Next, configure flip actions so flipping down mutes audio or rejects incoming calls. Assign specific gestures to launch the camera, open messages, or start voice recording immediately. Use edge gestures to swipe from the left or right edge to open apps or split screen quickly. Adjust the 3 sensitivity levels until gestures register reliably without accidental triggers during normal use. If gestures feel inconsistent, recalibrate by testing at each sensitivity level in Motion Control. Disable conflicting accessibility features that use similar gestures to avoid false activations. Keep the screen protector thin near edges to ensure reliable edge gesture recognition. Restart the phone after system updates or when gestures stop working properly to refresh sensor services. Use the built-in demos to practice gesture timing and maintain one clean fingertip when swiping for.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.